You just need to open up Chrome and search WinRAR download and press enter. Select the first site. Select this WinRAR English 64-bit and it will start downloading as you can see. After the download done, double click on it and select the yes option and select the install option. After the installation done, select the OK option, select done. And now right click on the ISO file and select copy it. And you just need to navigate to the drive that has enough space. In my case, I have C drive. Just create a new folder, name it as games, and press enter. Just double click on it, paste the ISO file in here, and now you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder. And you just need to navigate to the games folder we created. I saved in C drive. Here it is. After selecting the games folder, select it and select folder option. And the games folder has been added to this list. Now just to close stuff here and right click on this ISO file and select WinRAR and select extract it to. After the extract done, open the extracted folder and double click on the setup. Select more info option and select run anyway option. And you just need to select path option and you just need to select this games folder guys. We already added this games folder in the antivirus exclusion. So you just need to select the games folder and select OK option and select install game option. Now the installation has been completed. You just need to press the escape key to close the setup. And now go to the games folder. Here it is the extracted game folder. Here it is. Just double click on it and double click on the game. As you can see, the game opens up without having any problem and you will never face any game related problem guys. Don't forget to like guys. Thank you.